Today I'm super excited, guys. I'm super excited because I've never done this kind of video, and I know I promised in like 2-3 videos back, I promised that I was going to show you my house tour since I moved into a 1-bedroom apartment, I'll say, here in Nairobi. I promised I was going to show you, but I've never, guys. Reason is, getting things for a bigger space is not easy. You might have the money, but you go shopping for something, you find something else that is beautiful, you find something else that is more beautiful than what you had imagined, you had envisioned, and you end up getting totally different things. So in this video, guys, it's going to be quite long, I think, from my other videos you guys are used to. I'm going to giving you plugs where I got everything from, and I might not mention the prices because I'm so bad at bargaining that I might mislead you. So I'm not going to mention the prices, but I'm going to tell you exactly where I got every little thing that I have in this space. So without further ado, guys, let's get started. When the moon shines bright, we would dance, catching fireflies at night. Guitars were strung, banjos were playing, fiddles were singing, hearts were swaying. Oh, the summer nights and bluegrass tunes, where I was blooming under the moon. So this right here is the entrance to my little heaven. This chair, I got it from Eistleigh. The guy who made them for me, his name is Abdi. I'm gonna put his number in the description box below. But the truth is, guys, you can never miss anything in Eistleigh. There are so many curtains that I honestly don't need to give you this number, but I'm just gonna do it because I promised. That is where I got my curtain from. Now from this entrance, it's the room. This is my kitchen. On top of the fridge, I have these cute costa. They're called costas. I got these ones from House of Leather at, I think, 600 Kenyan shillings. I think so. It was from House of Leather. They're really cute when I'm holding hot tea in the morning. So in this fridge, I got it from a neighbor of mine who was relocating, and he didn't want to move with the fridge, so I got it from him. Now here is my small kitchen space. It's not big, but I think it's enough for me because I rarely cook. So that is what you guys are seeing here. This is my little kitchen, and guys, we have water. Like, I love space with clean water. We have water flowing in 24/7. Now this thankful, blessed little thing here, my cousin brought it for me as a gift when she was doing some work in my house. It's really beautiful. I love it. Now here we have more shears. Now those 2 windows there and a door to the balcony where I've decided to shear it all up. These shears, they are still from Abdi's place in Eistleigh. Now I'm gonna tell you guys, these shears were redone by my cousin Judy, whose number is in the description box below. She did that for me because I had not done that, and here is a photo of what they were looking like previously before she decided to redo them for me. Everything makes me think of you, and I wish there was something I could do. Losing track of time, I can sleep at night, cause even then you're running through my mind. These throw pillows, they are mine, but the covers were done by Judy. The flower here and the vase, these are from House of Leather. I can't remember how much they went for, but that's where I got them from. The scent here, the scented what is that thing called? Oh my god, what's that thing called? I've forgotten. So the glass thing you're seeing there, I got it from my work of place. We don't sell, but I just picked it up because it was just laying idle there, so I brought it home. Going back and forth with the same questions. Have you known dark places too? Have you just want the love, not the obsession? Now when you stand here, guys, you can directly see my kitchen. Actually, it's like just a space there that I can cook if I want to. Now let's talk about my couch. I got this one from along Roysambu. There's so many couches there, guys. I'm gonna put where I got it from in the description box below. The Throwblanket, I got it from Eistleigh. I'm also gonna put the name there, but I wouldn't advise you getting from there because it was quite expensive. The throw pillows on the couch, my cousin did that for me. So this is the thing, I sent her a photo of the couch at night, but in the morning she brought me these throw pillows. They're called throw pillows, that went really well, I think. This screen, guys, if you watched my like maybe 2-3 videos before this one, you could have known that I broke this TV, guys. Now I wanted to link where I got the TV from, but I see no need because these guys, they were of no help at all. Instead, I'm gonna link TCL Kenya because this is a TCL TV, and I called TCL Kenya for help when it was broken. They really came through, guys. They came through. Little candle. This candle here, I got it at 450 Kenyan shillings from Maximum Miracle, is that building called like that? Maximum Miracle Center. That's where I got it from. I was just walking around and I saw them there. So I don't know the shop name, but it was ground floor. I just saw them there and I picked it. Number one reason, it was cheap. It smells amazing, guys. It smells amazing. Now the glass thing here, it's not supposed to be holding this grass. The glass thing is not supposed to be holding this grass. So that's supposed to be for whiskey or something, I think, but I do not do alcohol drinks. I use that one for decorative purposes on the console, the TV console. Now the mirror, I got it from just around where I stay. These mirrors are literally everywhere, guys. They're everywhere. You can get this mirror anywhere you want. For this fluffy carpet here, is it fluffy carpet or rug? I got it from Eistleigh. I was just walking by and I saw they are always outside in Eistleigh if you walk there. I got it at 1,500 Kenyan shillings. That's how I got it from. It's not, that's how much I got it from. It's not too white. It's not, I can't explain the color, but it's beautiful. So I didn't know where to put it. That's why it's placed there. The throw pillows, you already know who got them for me. And yeah, that's my small space. That's how it looks like. The banana tree, this banana flower, this banana thing, and the basket itself, I got them from Stage Market. You guys know Stage Market. I'll try see if I still have the number of the lady where I bought them from. She actually delivered everything to my office, so it was quite nice. I loved it. I loved that I did have to go to Stage Market because I don't like going down there. Now let's talk about these beautiful thing you guys are seeing here. I got this one from Nyamakima. Is it Nyamakima? I was walking down there, and those shops, when you walk Latema, you just walk around there. I got this from, it was 1,800 Kenyan shillings. I don't like bargaining, guys. Maybe it could have gone for 1,500 or maybe to 1,000. I got it for 1,800 Kenyan shillings plus the bulb. What's the name of that bulb? I've actually forgotten. Eistleigh? They told me a beautiful name which I've actually forgotten. It looks amazing. I like how it brings my house together. Previously it was the one that comes with the building, which I didn't like, so I decided to get this one at 1,800 Kenyan shillings, but now I had to fix it by myself. We would dance, catching fireflies at night. Guitars were strumming, banjos were playing, fiddles were singing, hearts were swaying. Oh, summer nights and bluegrass tunes. Now these two doors, this one will take you to my bedroom, and this one here will take you to the bathroom.
Barefoot in the sand, giggling and whispering hand in hand. The rhythm of the music flowed through our veins.
Now this bathroom is very simple, guys. There's nothing much here to show you guys. Let's start with the green vines. They're called vines, I think. I got them from River Road, directly opposite Kenya Commercial Bank. That's where I got them from. A piece was going for 150 Kenyan shillings, and I got them long time ago, guys. I used to have these ones in my bed sitter. Now the thing here that is holding the shower gel and the what not, it's called like a 4-tire corner thing. That one I got it from Sawa Mall. Is it Sawa Mall or Sasa Mall? I think Sawa Mall. The stage that goes to the Matatu's Zuri, where Zuri is, those stage there is a mall there called Sawa Mall or Sasa Mall. I got it from there. It was 3,000 and something Kenyan shillings. The shower gels and the whitening spa scrub, I got these ones from all the Dove things here. I got them from Dubois.
As the waves crashed and carried away our pains, sipping on sweet tea, barefoot in the sand, giggling, whispering hand in hand. The rhythm of the music flowed through our veins as the waves crashed and carried away our pains. All the summer nights in bluegrass.
So finally now I'm gonna show you my bedroom, guys. It's very tiny. It's too tiny, but I thank God because I live alone, so this is just enough space for me until maybe somebody shows up and be like, now you need a bigger house.
Sweet tea, barefoot in the sand, giggling and whispering hand in hand.
Initially I had wanted to get these for my living room. So this and the carpet, if you've noticed, they rhyme very well. So that is the lady who told me, hey, go for this kind of carpet because it will go well with your curtain. So yeah, that's why I have them. So I decided to bring them here. Now the bed, let's come to the bed. The bed, this is courtesy of my aunt. So most of you, those of you who know, my aunt lives here in Nairobi. So when she got her beds done, I was very new in Nairobi. I knew no one. I didn't know where to get furniture from, and I was living in a very tiny place. So she got me this bed, guys. She ordered it. It was made. I only paid for money to get these materials. I don't know how to say that, but I only paid for money to get the materials. I think she handled the labor fee. She handled the labor money. I'm gonna turn this side to show you what is here. So this used to be my shoe rack and my books rack. I used to put my books here and my shoes down there, but when I moved here, I decided I'm gonna put my bags, facial things, I don't know, this kind of things that you see here. So here, I'm not yet a bag girl, guys. I'm not in that era where I'm buying lots and lots of bags, so I don't have plenty of bags. So I have this one. Where did I get this one from? I'm gonna link, like I'm gonna put everything, like this bag. Yeah, if you interested, you'll find it in the description box below. I'll say where I got it from. This bag here. This is Mutumba. I can't remember. This one is from England. This one is from England. Yeah, these are the only things from England that really look amazing here. Coming down here, this is a shelf for my face and my body, and the scents. So we have these scents. These are my favorite scents, guys. Like, you see these scents, this one here kwanza, this one here, guys, this one hii hata hakuna Kenya, it's not in Kenya. This one, this is Exaltation, guys. This is just the normal white tea which you can find here. I don't know if it's original or a fake one. I can't tell which the original one is, but they smell so amazing. These ones here, they smell so amazing. This one here smells like old flowers. This one here smells like old flowers, like some vintage thing. Like it reminds you of some, it gives you that nostalgic thing of from the past. Now here, several stuffs from Uncover. Guys, I have so many things from Uncover. This is a sunscreen. Uncover. Down here, what we got? Here we have what's this called? Serum. These are just serum. This was serum up here. These are serum. This is sunscreen. Yeah, this is what is here. This is not well arranged. And when we come down here, we have shoes that I don't wear. I just have them for photos. These are shoes for photos. And then here, so, and here, just storage. Like the amount of storage here, guys, it's a lot that I'm super comfortable. Like I'm not struggling with where to store my things. I welcome any critique, guys. I welcome anything you might be having to tell me in the comment section below. Any suggestion, anything, like maybe one of you wants me to mount my TV. You can tell me, guys. Anything is welcome in this space. Now this is that kind of video where I tell you to tell me anything, like anything. Whatever you don't like, let me know. If you have a plug that you want me to try out, or you want me to go get those stuffs, let me know, guys. Let me know. So now I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I have convinced you through this video to subscribe for more content. So yeah, I'll see you on my next video.
Been through the footage about 1,000 times. My heart sits tight in my chest. Don't mind the wreckage, it's a work of art, so I gladly take all the pain. Ow. Just about everything makes me think of you, and I wish there was something I could do. Losing track of time, I can sleep at night, 'cause even then you're running